Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Prathmik Gyan. Today we will talk about a very interesting topic which is space. What is space? The area outside the earth is called space. It has the sun, the stars, the planets and their moons. There are other things in the space too. For example, there are a large number of asteroids, which are very large rocks. These fly around the sun like the planets. Asteroids are found between Mars and Jupiter. Isn't that interesting or very informative? Rocks in space that are much smaller than asteroids are called meteoroids. Such rocks may hit a planet or a moon. When a meteoroid enters the Earth's atmosphere, it starts to burn, like you see in the movies, producing a streak of light. We call this a meteor star, or we call it a shooting star. What happens when a rock from space hits a planet or a moon? On the moon, there are large holes called craters. These were formed when large rocks hit the moon. There are a few craters on the earth too. Scientists think that a long time ago, large rocks hit the earth and killed most animals, including dinosaurs. Like in the previous video, we know that the meteor showers killed the dinosaurs. In this chapter, also you will see that they are telling meteoroids killed dinosaurs. Exploring space. We have learned many things about moon, the sun, the planets by looking through telescopes, but not everything about them can be learned using telescopes. So, we built rockets to carry spacecraft into space. Spacecrafts, or we can say rockets, have helped us to know much more about the space, the planets, and the moons. Spacecrafts carry satellites which go around a planet or a moon. Satellites do many useful things. They send TV signals from which you see the TVs, serials, cartoons, and movies. Study the weather, take pictures from space, and so on. Sputnik 1. This is the name of a satellite. This was the first satellite in the space. It was launched by Soviet Union, or we can say USSR, which was in Russia, which is the largest republic. Men in space. Before sending man into the space, the Soviets sent a dog named Laika. Then in 1961, they sent Yuri Gagarin. Remember this name, okay? Of Russia into space. Soon after, Russia's Valentina Tereshkova, this is also a very important name, became the first woman in space. Now people wanted to go to the moon. In 1969, Neil Armstrong, from the USA, became the first man on the moon. A few more people followed him. In 1984, Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian in space. Isn't that interesting? Now, to revise what we had done and listened in the previous section, we will do questions. First question will show you some pictures and you have to tell the name. This is the first picture. Who is this person? The description is the first man in space. Who is he? This is Yuri Gagarin. We've learnt it. Now, this is the second picture. The description is the first woman in space. This is Valentina Tereshkova. Okay, now coming to C. This is the picture. This man was the first one to step on the moon. Who is he? Neil Armstrong. The last picture. Who is he? He is the first Indian in the space. This is Rakesh Sharma. Now you need to fill in the blanks. An asteroid is a large rock in... The answer is an asteroid is a large rock in space. Second one is a meteoroid burning in the Earth's atmosphere is called a dash star. What is it? This is shooting star. A meteoroid burning in the Earth's atmosphere is called a shooting star. C. Large rocks from the space hit the moon to produce what? The large rocks from the space hit the moon to create craters. The spelling will be CRATERS. D. The first Indian born woman in space was dash Chawla. The answer is the first Indian born woman in space was Kalpana Chawla. Fifth one. India sent a spacecraft called Chandrayaan-1 to study the, as the name suggests, Chandrayaan. Chandra means moon, so the answer will be to study the moon. Sixth, the first satellite in space was called, we have learnt it, this is called Sputnik 1. The spelling is SPUTNIK. Before spacecraft, we learned about space using dash. How did we get to know what were there in the space? By using telescopes. This is the answer for G. Before spacecraft, we learned about space using telescopes. Weather pictures seen on TV are clicked by cameras on what? This is satellites. Weather pictures seen on TV are called are clicked by cameras on satellites. The first man on the moon was an American. Understand the question, huh? The first man on the moon was an American. The first man in space. The first man in space was here they are asking the country. This is Russian. The first man in space was a Russian. Last one is astronauts are space travelers. The Russians call them... What do Russians call astronauts? They call them cosmonauts. Wasn't this informative? I guess you all understood whatever we did today. So I would like to end this class over here. Thank you.